Hi, you are welcome to WPCode Studio. I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain from cPanel. Since we have to do the work from cPanel, so that's why already I opened my cPanel login page. So right now we simply log in our hosting panel and thereafter we will start working. So without talk anymore, let's check it out. We all may know that how to log into cPanels. So for login cPanel, simply put username and password and click on this login button. At last we logged in here in our hosting panel. Right now simply we will find out the domain option from this search field. Enter the word domain here. So first we got domain option here, just click on it. Here we're watching our main domain, so we will create a subdomain under this domain. For create subdomain, click the create a new domain button on the right hand side. First of all, we will unmark the checkbox here. So in this info field, we are watching my.forexample.com. That means my is a subdomain and for example.com it's a main domain. So exactly like this we will create our subdomain. So our subdomain name will be test and thereafter we will copy our main domain from here and again we will add dot and thereafter we will paste our main domain. Okay. So guys, try to understand the concept what we have done here. At first we add our subdomain name and thereafter we will add our main domain. So under the main domain we are creating our subdomain. Okay, click on submit button and wait a few seconds because it takes few seconds for generating. Well, our domain creation has been successful. Once reload this page and enable this toggle button. And now we just check if the domain is working or not. So for that, simply click on it. And here we are watching only two files under our subdomain. So under our main subdomain we will create another file. For that, click on it, file option, and here we will write down simply index.html and create a file. We have to edit this file, so simply do the same thing as like me, and here I'm going to add HTML tag. It's called heading. So headings, add simple text and save it. Now it's time to check the domain. Wow, it's working. We were added this hello world content between our index.html file, so it's working. That means we are created our subdomain nicely. So guys, that's all there was to this project. So in the next project we will show how to install WordPress. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.